Welcome to BTS. How to create a API on Binance mobile apps. First, open your Binance application. And then click Others menu on home screen. In Others menu interface, scroll down to find the API Management menu. Click the API Management menu. Set the API label name that you want. And then click Create API. Click Send Code to email and send code to your phone number or Google Authenticator. Input the code that you get. Make sure the code is correct. Click Submit. Your API is ready now. Click Copy and use it for integration, BTS bot or other things that you need. Thank you, and stay classy.